Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you how I'm going to make this little miniature closet come back to life. It's not in bad shape. I bought it yesterday at a flea market, and I do want to spruce it up inside. So what I did was I selected a thank you card that had this gold pattern, very nice pattern, and I cut out a few strips so that I can insert it inside of there. And I didn't have mirrors. I thought of placing mirrors here, but I didn't have real mirrors to go there, being that that's like a rectangular shape, the door. So I had this little kit here. It's a nail kit that I'm not going to use, and coincidentally it came with these strips that look like mirrors. It was one whole piece, and I ended up cutting it so that I can place it here. Okay, but that's going to be last. So right now we are going to insert these in there, and maybe we'll experiment with some drawers for here with some push pins that come in really handy because they're gold and silver, just like this. Okay, so let's insert these in here to see how it looks. Okay, so door number one, I'm going to insert this in here. I cut them out to perfection, to the size, so that I wouldn't have too much trouble getting them in there, and I probably won't have to use double-sided tape. See what I'm saying? Look at that. So now we're going to do the same with the other side. And also I wanted to let you know it's missing a leg, so that's something that I have to also fix. I don't have that fourth leg, but I'm going to have to look for something to make it stand by itself. So anyway, so now we will insert this one in here. See how that looks. Okay, I probably don't have to use the double-sided tape because it does stay. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Now what I did before the video was I had placed another strip in there, and that part was kind of challenging because it was the middle part, and then it has those other spaces in there, so that one was kind of hard. But overall, this is the way this closet would look inside. So I bought it for $3 at the flea market yesterday. So now why don't we work on the mirrors? Okay, so we're going to open the doors. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the double-sided tape and place a strip of double-sided tape on one side. So I'll do that now. Okay, and I'm going to place this on one of the doors. There you go. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? It looks a lot better than what it looked like before without these pieces of cardboard and paper, mirror paper. So let's do the other drawer now. Do the same thing. I have my piece here. There you go. That's it. Well, I'm not finished yet, but this is the way it looks. See the mirror pieces and the strips of cardboard from the thank you card that I had. Now what I'm thinking is, I was thinking of making those look like drawers. So I have these 3 pieces here. They're like foam pieces. And maybe I won't leave them. I'm just going to try them for the video. And I'm going to have the push pins. So why don't we try something here. I'm going to take one of these. And I'm going to take one of these push pins and right in the middle, I'm gonna go right in the middle there, like that, and I'm gonna push it all the way in. Look at this. Now I have a way to hold it and put it in here. So that means that that little foam piece won't go all the way in there, and I have the option to pull it out. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Yeah, so I think I am going to use these pieces. So let's do the same just to see what that looks like. Okay. We'll take another one of these. You know what? I'm going to change to this white one. Okay, and I'm going to place it in here just like I did with the other one. Right there. How does that look? I don't think it's even, or maybe I should make all of them a gold knob. I think I'm going to change that. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to use a gold knob. Push it in. And I'm going to put it right here in the middle. I think that's better. There you go. So now we'll go to the last one. Right in the middle here. Push it in. And then we have our third drawer. So we can always pull it out anytime. It won't just, you know, get embedded in there, this part. So this is what it looks like now. I think it looks a lot better than how I bought it. Isn't that beautiful? So if you have something to repurpose or improve, these are ideas. Just get out your, you know, thank you cards and labels. At first I thought of using these labels from the Dollar Tree, like over here on the side, but I really wanted a mirror effect. So I think this is it. I'm gonna come back with the same piece and I'm going to fill it up. I'm going to probably insert some type of rod there, make some hangers, and then fill up the drawers for the next video on this. And I have to fix that leg, but I like the way it came out. Alrighty, so let's close it. Look at that. Oh, and one more piece, one more thing that I wanted to do. Remember the Sharpie marker? The Sharpie marker? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to try to fill in these little knobs here and make them gold so that they can match those other knobs that I made. And we have this one. And then we have our third one, and that just makes it stand out. I don't know, you might not notice the difference, but I do. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'll be back with the same piece like I told you. Thanks for watching.